Bago pa man gumulong ang Day 1 ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte kahapon, naging mainit ang pagtalakay ng senator judges sa pagluklok ng isang presiding officer. Gusto ring hilingin ng ilang senador na makalahok sina Senador Jingo Estrada at Senador Rodante Marcoleta sa paglilitis kahit naharap sa mga kaso. Balitang hatid ni Sandra Aguinaldo.
Tatlong senador ang hindi nakadalo. Ang unang beses pa lang nangyayari sa kasaysayan ang pagsalang sa paglilitis ng isang vice-presidente ng Pilipinas. Si Senador Ronald De La Rosa na nagtatago at mga nakakulong na sina Senador Jingoy Estrada at Rodante Marcoleta. Agad naging mainit ang talakayan nang tutulan ng ilang minority senators ang binuksang proseso para sa pagboto ng bagong presiding officer. Argumenta ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, Senate President ang dapat tumayong presiding officer. Bagaman hindi raw ito nakasulat sa saligang batas, ito naman daw ang intensyon ng framers ng 1987 Constitution base sa transcript ng kanilang deliberasyon noon.
Institutional integrity. We need to protect the legitimacy of these proceedings. Even with the substitute presiding officer acts fairly, a conviction or acquittal reached under constitutionally defective process would invite judicial challenge and cast doubt on the validity of the entire trial.
Punto ni Cayetano, nag-ugat ang issue sa kino-question niyang sesyon noong Hunyo kung saan inamyendahan ng impeachment rules para payagan ang eleksyon ng presiding officer ng impeachment. Sagot ni Gatchalian, dumaan ito sa tamang proseso.
No one objected to that resolution and it was duly approved by the body. So any discussion regarding this resolution should be discussed in plenary when the Senate convenes as a legislative body.
Sinigundan si Cayetano ng kanyang kapatid.
We looked at what the constitutional framers said. What did they say? This is the foundation of this trial na tama yung nakaupong presiding officer.
Si Senador Kiko Pangilinan, nagpuntong dinala na ni Cayetano ang usapin sa Supreme Court sa pamamagitan ng petisyong ipawalang bisa ang June 3 session.
The matter is pending before the Supreme Court. There is no temporary restraining order. There was a request for a status quo ante order. It was not granted. The point of order is improper. In fact, the debate on this matter here in the impeachment court is out of order.
Sa huli, nagkaroon ng botohan.
Pursuant to Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedures on Impeachment Trials as amended, I move to elect Senator Judge Francis Joseph Guevara Escudero as the presiding officer of this impeachment court.
Objection, Mr. President, and may I allow to...
We proceed
Objection,
to...
Mr. President, I'm allowed to object and I'm allowed to explain my objection.
You are allowed to object, but we will proceed
No, Mr.
with
President.
the division
Mr.
of
President,
the House.
point.
12 senador ang bumoto kay Escudero, 8 ang tumutol, hindi bumoto si Escudero. Sa pagpapaliwanag ng kanyang pagtutol, may patama si Cayetano kay Escudero.
I have information that the 20 years AMLA records of Senator Escudero and his credit cards and bank accounts were all opened up in the office of the Senate President, where members of the Blue Ribbon Committee was here. Then we're going to ask him to preside. So there's a problem with, this is my explanation. This is my explanation.
To the gentleman
This is
from
factual
Taguig.
error.
With all due respect, your statement's already out of order. It has nothing to do with the topic on hand.
No, Mr.
And
President.
the presiding officer will strike off.
It has all to do with this.
Will strike off
It has all to do.
the
I do not,
statements
Mr. President,
pertaining to Senator
Mr.
Escudero.
President,
Dahil umiinit na ang usapan, sandaling sinuspend ang trial. Dito na umakyat sa podium si Escudero sa tabi ni Gatchalian para pamunuan ang impeachment court. Sa kanyang opening statement, may paalala si Escudero.
This is why the trial must be guided with prudence, tempered by caution, and marked with unquestionable impartiality. We must avoid even the appearance of impropriety and observe the cold neutrality of an impartial judge at all times. May I therefore caution my fellow senator judges, the prosecutors, the respondent and their respective counsels and witnesses to refrain from making any comments and disclosures to the public pertaining to the merits of this trial as mandated by the impeachment rules itself.
Tinalakay rin ni Escudero ang issue kung ilang boto ang kailangan para makonvict ang respondent.
The Constitution provides that no person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of all the members of the Senate. With 24 members of the Senate, a literal interpretation of this means that conviction requires the affirmative vote of at least 16 senator judges.
Git Escudero, sakaling maglabas ng pasya ang Korte Suprema na iba sa kanyang sinabi, masusunod ang pasya ng Korte Suprema.
I think you saw after si Senator Cayetano tried to put it on record na it's the decision of the court na 16. I don't think legally that is the case right now in the sense that it can be brought up again. It still depends na how yung trial will go on, and are there additional arrests that will be made? Are there senators who cannot participate?
Ang minority senators naman, hindi pa rin isinusuko ang dapat anilang pagsali ni na Senador Estrada at Marcoleta sa impeachment court. Baka raw pwede itong hingin sa sandigang bayan. Walang nag-object sa mga senator judge mula sa mayorya. Pero para kay Senador Raffy Tulfo, pwede kung manonood lang naman sa TV.
Ang hinihingi po namin ay makapunta po sila dito bilang observer. Hindi lang po basta monitor.
Ipinag-utos naman ni Presiding Officer Escudero sa Secretariat na i-upload online lahat ng dokumento, memo at ebidensya sa kaso para sa transparency.
If a evidence presented is a fruit of the poisonous tree, will we upload that?
Insofar as documentary evidence is concerned, it will only be admitted, and if at all admitted by the court and published once formal offer has been made. Until such time, we will not publish any documentary evidence even after being identified by a witness, because it is the formal offer that will determine its admission by the court.
Sandra Aguinaldo nagbabalita para sa GMA News.